Passive income isn't actually passive. And if your income depends on your mood, your energy, or whether your kid got sick that week, we need to talk. So many single moms are trying affiliate marketing, posting links, sharing in stories, maybe even making a few sales. But it feels inconsistent. It feels fragile. If you stop showing up, the income stops too. That's not freedom, that's pressure. Today I'm going to show you how to build simple passive-ish affiliate systems that keep working while life happens. Before we dive in, if you're building online income and you want realistic strategy without hustle culture nonsense, make sure you subscribe and tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I love seeing who's here. All right, let's get into it. Passive versus passive-ish. First, we need to reset expectations. True passive income is rare. It usually requires massive upfront investment, audience size, or ad spend. What most of us are building, especially as single moms, is passive-ish income, and that's not a downgrade. Passive-ish income means you build something once, it works multiple times. It doesn't require daily manual effort. But here's where most people mess up. They create effort-based income instead of system-based income. Effort-based income says, if I post today, maybe I'll sell today. System-based income says, my links live in places that keep working. Ask yourself, if you disappeared for 2 weeks, what would still be working? Would Pinterest still be driving traffic? Would your email list still be nurturing? Would your blog post still exist? Would your YouTube videos still be searchable? Or would everything stop? That answer tells you whether you have pressure or a system. Where affiliate links should actually live. Most beginners put affiliate links in their stories, random posts, and DM replies. That's not wrong, it's just incomplete. Your affiliate links need long-term homes. Let's break this down. First, email. Your email list is your income safety net. Social platforms change, algorithms shift, but your email list, that's yours. You should have a simple welcome sequence, a few value emails, and your affiliate links naturally placed within helpful context. Second, Pinterest and blogs. Pinterest is a search engine. Blog posts rank over time, and that means content can work for you months later. Instead of buy this, you create, here's why this helped me. Here's how to use this. Here's my honest experience. Third, YouTube. Every video description is real estate. Every tutorial is an opportunity. Every review builds trust. Affiliate links need homes, not just moments. The simple content system. Now, let's talk structure. You don't need to post every day on 5 platforms. You need 1 pillar piece per week. Example, 1 YouTube video. That becomes 1 blog, 3 Pinterest pins, 3 short clips, an email summary with resource link placements. That's passive-ish. You create once and distribute strategically. This prevents burnout because you're not constantly creating from scratch. You're multiplying what already exists. Automation protects energy. Burnout is often a systems problem. If you rely on motivation to sell, you'll feel inconsistent. Instead, build a simple welcome email sequence, a resource page where all your tools live, and a repeatable weekly content rhythm. Consistency creates safety, and safety builds confidence. Confidence increases your sales. Systems protect your energy and your income. If this helped you see where your gaps are, I want you to take the next step. Inside my Skool group, I have a free download called the Affiliate Starter and Fearless Selling Bundle and the Breakthrough Code. This will walk you through how to choose your first affiliate properly, how to structure your content, how to stop feeling weird about selling, and how to build the system we talked about today. Join the Skool group and grab the free bundle and start building predictable income. And I want to hear from you. What part of your system is missing right now? Is it email? Is it content structure? Is it confidence? Drop it in the comments, because we're not building hustle income. We're building calm income. And warriors don't burn out, they build smart.